have a acceptable use requirement that you define acceptable use or acceptable network locations for this technology that you've implemented. Think about this. You've spent millions of dollars developing a security program, and yet somebody circumvents it by storing credit card data out in your DMZ. So from an acceptable use perspective, we look to see that you have network locations and where things can be installed. Ideally, we see this in your classification policy, but if it's not there, that's quite all right. But as long as it's defined, we're going to be okay with this part of the assessment.